'Cause these days it's too close to the wire. No trace, sense made in the meantime. You cut shapes, ease into the mind. I guess we're having fun with it. You call it as a fate.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in again. Before we jump into this one, I want to give you guys a little background on the build. This Sabre came to us all the way from New Jersey. What you're about to see is roughly 18 months of work condensed into one video. Unfortunately, somewhere along the way, I lost some of the older clips off my phone, probably clearing for storage. So we don't have footage of every single step. We still have a ton to show you, but there was a lot of work done that never made it on camera. We did the underside, the frame, refinished the trunk floor, countless other details throughout the build. A lot of that progress is documented over on our Facebook page though. We are also working on making our YouTube content a lot better. We recently hired my little sister to film around the shop day to day, so let us know in the comments if you would watch more of that style of content. As always, thank you guys for the support. We seriously appreciate it. Now I will go ahead and get the video going.
Checked out love. It's fine by me.
I didn't get any videos of my paintless dent repair guy coming out and popping all the little dents that you saw on the body out before we did all our blocking, but we get that done on every one of these cars after the first round of epoxy. It saves a ton of body work, but also saves us a ton of time with any stud welding or any other pretty archaic ways of fixing the dents. Really, paintless dent repair is the superior way. So this car had a lot more work up to the point that we painted it and we primed and blocked it multiple more times. I am not sure where those clips went, but honestly it would probably get a little monotonous anyways. So these next clips are pretty much going to be after the car was sprayed. This is epoxy sealer, base coat, and clear coat.
Love is lost when you give in to caring more than her. I don't want to be a burden, so please keep your distance. You're a lover, I'm a loser. Seems perfect to me. I can't quite keep my hands to myself now. I'm losing sleep. Hold me close. Let me in. Kill me slowly.
some buffing today. I'm using the ACA 510, and we're just doing the first stage of cutting. I've already done 15, 3, and 5, or 15, 2, 3, and 5 on these two panels, and I'm just keeping it easy on myself, and I'm just doing panel to panel. So all stages on this one, all stages on this one, and then possibly the quarter panel today if I can get to it, but probably tomorrow. So I'll just do all stages on each panel every day until it's done, and hopefully we can get it done this week.
It looks gorgeous.
Let me in, kill me slowly, drown my sin.
Every panel, I buffed every panel except for the hood, so I'm finishing that, and then next week we can polish and assemble, so that'll be a lot, but we'll have that done next week, and then it'll go home. So
Looks so good.
yeah, getting there.
Hey, I've been trying to get away from the thoughts in my dome, hitting every little habit just to not feel alone. Put a song in my ears, let it pull me from the zone, but the silence always creep back when I'm walking home. Yeah, and the highs feel nice till they fade too fast. Every fix I ever chase never seems to last. Been searching for a heaven I can't hold in my grasp, just a moment where my heart ain't stuck in the past. Hey, I've been looking for a break from the weight in my chest, trying to numb the little voices that don't ever rest. But the peace that I find never settles as best. Breathe slow, decompress. I've been doing anything just to get out my head, trying to drown out the fears that I left unsaid. Music, drugs, love, still I break instead. Yeah, it's only temporary when I feel that dread. Yeah. Hey, every time I get close to feeling something real, it's and my mind pull me back to the things I conceal. Try to lose myself in bodies or the way a beat feels, but the pain stays sticking like it's glued to my heels. And I hate how I've been just to feel enough, making deals with my demons when the nights get rough. I've been holding on weak, trying acting like it's tough, but the truth is I'm breaking when the glamour cuts. Yeah, hey, every time I chase comfort, it just slips through my grip, and I fall right back down on the same old script. Swear I'm trying.
So these felt moldings, the holes don't line up to the holes here on the new felt molding, so we have to drill them to the original. So I'm using it as a template to stick over top.
Perfect. Done.
So we could not get new rear seals, could not find part outs anywhere. So if any of you guys have a 72 with Sabre convertible and you got these that we can buy, let me know. Eat them for both sides. See? So that's a bit of an eyesore. Glass fits so good though. Nikki and Jesse did such a good job.
You ding dong.
It's a little slow today. A little slow. Slow every day.
This is my friend.
His name is Paul.
Paul.
Looking good. Looking perfect.
But I lose my lips, hold tight, don't quit. Doing anything to get out my head, trying to drown out the fears that I left unsaid. Music draws low, still I break and stay. Yeah, it's only temporary when I feel sad.
Both of them. They brought this went to Chrome, assembled, and they shaved the front rubber off the front of it to make it smooth and nice, but didn't put any of it back together. So I'm stressing about putting it back together, but they got it.
Oh!
Huh?
They're moving around. I don't want to kick them down in the thing and then listen to you fucking trash me. So back up!
One more. Do one more, yeah. I need to come this way. How much did you say?
Why?
How did it taste? I've always wondered. Pepper?
Ow!
Ready for another day. All these years we waited for a sign we made it. Only took us in away. Yeah, every witch is sailing, burning at the stake. And all them nights we can just got to talk. Sick water lit, filled pipes with grit. Sure know to save our souls depressed. We paid for ethanol. 'Cause everybody wants a perfect picture. Everybody wants a steak for dinner. Everybody wants another lover. Everybody wants to live forever. We need it right now. We need it. Yeah, right this very minute. Need it right now. We need it. And right this very instant. Maybe there's another way. Just maybe outsource hell-tillion overwatch rocket into outer space. A cower in a bunker, attempt disencumber. All them lies we can just got to talk. Sick water lit, filled pipes with bread. Sure
refuse and say that getting the money is the most important, you'll spend your life completely wasting your time. You'll be doing things you don't like doing in order to go on living, that is, to go on doing things you don't like doing, which is stupid. Better to have a short life that is full of what you like doing than a long life spent in a miserable way.
All them nights we can trail skies atop, sick water lead, fill pipes we pray, Chernobyl save our souls, the price we pay for ethanol. 'Cause everybody wants